We're all good. Don't panic. Nobody panic.
Joey, if you can hear me, please press the Alt key.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome! This is another Interstellar Gateway stream, slightly stranger one today because you can actually see us. This is finally a face and a famous voice that I'm sure you've heard and loved. My name's Quantify. My actual name is Majd, and I'm going to be joined even by four of the lovely Interstellar Gateway people, one of whom is a crane at the moment. We've got Joey to my right, we've got Mav, and we've got just the letter K.
Thank you guys for joining us. If you don't know what's going on, we are going to be watching Joey, the CEO of Interstellar Gateway, attempt to play Kerbal Space Program, which if you don't know what that is, you're probably not too. I mean, I honestly, I've never played either, but this is not about me today. I am only here to roast the CEO that so graciously gave me a job.
We've given him a relatively kind of stock mod pack, but it does have some extra parts to hopefully overwhelm him, so we will see what happens.
Oh my god! We definitely should expand the TFR. Chat, Joey cannot hear us anymore, by the way. His headphones are off, so
yep, we're out of the mix.
Oh, Chat, help me out here.
Okay, Chat, do not help him.
What time is it?
Wrong answers only.
Wrong answers only for him, please.
This feels like teaching my dad how to use his MacBook. Yeah, click anything. Literally,
Click
any item.
Okay, great. We started with a monopropellant tank. That's not going to get you very far.
A Mark II one, no less.
And a bicoupler. And a Mark II bicoupler.
It looks like it's wearing pants now.
If he's making fun of my car insurance.
Joey is not joking. Joey has never played this game. He has no idea what he's doing right now. This is real.
You know who I am, gang? Like, come on now. I got y'all. We better do this.
This is impressive.
Go up a
Crane,
bit.
come up a bit.
What was this called, actually?
Impressive ignorance.
What's this called again?
What on earth is that?
What the hell?
What the hell is that thing?
We are doomed. People.
He hasn't figured out attachment points yet. Let's take a look, see what's the craze.
100%.
Oh no.
100%.
He's
oh my god.
Make fun all y'all want.
John the Crane.
Like what I'm limited to?
Yo, that's incredible.
He's not a happy man. People are giving him actual advice now. Oh lord. It's the goose. No, don't do that. Don't do that.
We're not starting this about this zooming out. I'm pressing control.
Oh,
is that Joey Leo?
God.
That's
It's
Joey
shit.
Leo.
Yes.
That's brilliant.
That.
It is.
The accuracy.
Look at the concentration in his face. He's so determined as well. He has full focus on placing these boosters.
Protective.
Oh, he's found the launch button.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
Oh my God,
look at that smile. Look at that smile.
Oh,
that is dangerous.
I think we're about to cook.
Press
Nothing's
spacebar.
happening.
That's correct.
Nothing's happening. Of course, nothing's
Astutely
happening.
observed.
This is going to be a problem. This is not good.
It's switching off the
It says we're
fuel.
full.
Oh no.
It's just going to explode on the
How
pad.
do I?
I don't think the liquid engines will work if he's disabled crossfeeds. Will it?
It's going to send
You need to
Kerbals
stage the
all
engine.
over the pad.
Great start.
We have
No!
We've had a liquid engine failure because they're not getting any fuel.
Well, oh.
Catastrophic failure of the shit one. We're doing propulsive re-entry.
it's giving me flashbacks. Oh no, it's burning up on entry. Oh shit.
No, it's okay. It's just not quite okay.
It's an ICBM.
He's pitching somewhere. Oh!
What?
It looks
It's
like
a
a pipe
starship.
bomb.
This is what Starship's plumbing is going to look like a Block 3, man. He's
Yo,
frostbite.
they need to-
Engaged? I say yes.
Oh my god! They definitely should expand the TFR.
It's spinning. I think
The
the TFR might need
needs
to
to be
expand to
bigger.
the
This
entire
is gonna
Gulf.
kill everyone.
Oh,
He's made a nuclear bomb.
he's frozen his game.
He's,
There we
yeah.
go.
Oh,
Kraken's gotten to him.
oh.
Quick, how do I how do I eject? How do I eject?
Probably
Oh,
E.
no.
I would imagine.
I don't know if E actually works, I'm not sure.
They're falling. How do I
no.
eject?
Oh no! Oh no! No!
That was one of the more impressive failures I've seen, actually. That had material.
Yeah,
to
at
it,
least
yeah.
something happened.
At least he's re-entering the correct way up. Enter the
Oh,
map
yeah.
view.
How do I
There's an
eject?
SRB embedded,
Just hit E,
embedded in
bro.
the ground.
Oh.
Beautiful.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen,
Who's this guy?
may I say hi to Parody?
It's the man,
you're
the myth,
muted,
the
bro.
legend.
There you are. There you are.
Reveal, face reveal. That's not even a liquid fuel engine. That is a lithium-powered engine.
I don't know if she's okay. This isn't gonna work. It's not gonna work. Are you okay?
Mar-
Dude. Oh my god. Oh my
There
god.
were no
Joey,
survivors.
I'm gonna-
Explode. His head's gonna explode.
Where are the parachutes?
There, right there. Where your mouse was. Where your mouse was. Move your mouse up. Move your mouse up. A little bit. No.
Oh.
You could go back. Crane is holding a trash can. Is that?
Oh, I did.
No, it adds fairings to the engine when you add it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Guys, Crane has a toaster.
What?
What's happening? There's appliances now. Crane has a toaster.
Is he about to kill himself?
Well, there's no bathtub. We need a bathtub for that. Crane is in the bathtub with the toaster.
We're 2 hours
There
in,
you
by the
go.
way. Now he's figuring out how to get.
Oh my god. Oh my
Oh,
god.
wow.
That stage is going to
Miracle.
run out of fuel eventually. When it does, you separate the stages and you ignite the second stage.
Decoupler did not
Yeah,
work.
it's gone. It's
What?
gone.
Oh!
So we're just in the vacuum of space. Doomed
It doesn't
to
matter.
sail off
Okay,
into the
okay, we
darkness.
just need to lock in.
Lock it in.
Joey?
Yeah.
He staged!
Joey? Do you know how I'm supposed to press it?
Oh, he's crashed out.
Yeah, he's dead, all right.
Live Joey Leal crash out.
Is shift the same thing as
Incredible.
spacebar, Joey?
I didn't press shift. No, I pressed spacebar.
I told you
Yes,
to
you
press
did.
shift.
Yep.
Oh.
It was very, very clear. So yeah,
There's
along
no
your
heat
orbit,
shield.
go really, really close to. I know he'll be fine. He won't. Go
I don't think
close
so.
to.
How do I get out of
There
this
is no
view?
button for this.
I
You have to
kinda
click
messed
V.
that up. How do I
You
get
have
out
to
of
click
this
V.
view?
This is not going to be good, people.
Someone help him.
This is what I needed. was-
Yeah. Say a prayer for these. A moment of.
Tell him to
prayer
throttle
for
up
the
to
Kerbals.
max.
60 kilometers. Oh,
Oh,
no.
no. It's happening.
Oh, they're gone.
50 kilometers.
No. Oh no.
Do I deploy?
Deploy
I think
what?
we have to
It's
take it
gonna
from-
burn up. What do you
Boy,
mean?
it's gone, brother! It's cooked!
Ah, yes, Turks and Caicos.
Please, everyone, a moment of silence for the Kerbals we've lost on this mission.
I'm not talking to any of you for a couple of days.